Captain's log 10-1-25. There was a transporter accident. Where was I? There didn't seem to be any signs of intelligent life. Hostile? Yes, I was aware of a creature called the Spaniel Doodle, a bit like the Jabberwocky from the 20th century Earth, an apex predator known as the Bailey. Phasers didn't seem to work here, nor did my communicator or tricorders. I was a castaway. Other than Bailey, the planet seemed to be diseased by an entity called the Starmer. The Starmer had a suppression field and could rot your mind easily, so communication was ridiculous. Luckily, I built an interocitor from some scrap parts so I could communicate on the ridiculousness spectrum. This is Captain Willow A. Wright, calling the USS Greenland. Come in, Greenland.
The USS Greenland, eh? What's all that about, bucko? Eh?
Oh, sorry, wrong part of America.
This is BBC WM.
What on, mate? I mean to talk about the Albions.
Quick, change the channel, quick.
It was the mind rot degradation attack. Phew, that was close. Another infamous type of mental zombie known as the Tesco carrier bogans. There was nothing else for it. I knew the plot couldn't go forward until I did the thing. The thing? You know the thing. A feline mind meld with the Bailey.